Hi, I'm Ruthie Dahle and welcome to my channel and welcome to Makeup Wednesdays. This week I'm inspired by Poppies, the flower, and if you want to know how I achieved this makeup look, which is perfect for fall, then keep on watching. If you've never seen Poppies, they are red and black flowers where the center is black, and when they are almost open they look very simple, but once they are fully open and in bloom they look so elegant. But because the colors are more of a autumn winter kind of color, I waited until now to do Poppies. And I will be using two palettes for this. I will be using Essence Eyeshadow Palette by Merve, and I will be using Makeup Revolution's Game of Thrones Mother of Dragons for this. So let's get right into it. First off, I want to start with the Makeup Revolution's Mother of Dragons, and I want to take a big fluffy brush because the thing with Poppies is that it's not just one color of red, it kind of fades inwards to a darker red. And I want to emphasize that a little bit. So to achieve that with the black, I'm going in with something that is burgundy purple, which is House Blackfyre, this one right here. And what I want to do with this is just put it up in my crease so that it is blendable and kind of fades out and blends the two other colors together with this one. And that is the first color, and we want to continue using the Makeup Revolution's Mother of Dragons. And for this you want to take a flat brush like this one, and you can use your finger to intensify the color after. I will see how I feel about it, but with this color you want to put it all over your lid. You don't have to take it all the way out just because we will put another color right here, but you want to bring it out almost all the way to the outer corner, and you want to put it on your lower lash line as well, about just a little bit more than halfway, I want to say. And for this color we are choosing the color Blood right here. And then you want to go ahead and take the Essence Eyeshadow by Merve, and you need to take the color Black that is right here, and you want to take a round brush to get that roundish shape that you need for this flower, because this flower is softer and elegant, but it doesn't have it, the leaves are not pointy. Take the black and put it in the outer corner. Bring it just a little bit on the outer corner on your lower lash, but nothing too crazy. And then what you want to go ahead and do is take your eye blender brush, and I'm using mine from Essence that look like this, and you want to blend. Now that we have done that, there's just a few more things we need to do to finish this makeup look off, and that is put on mascara. And before I do that, I will curl my lashes. And then I'm gonna go ahead and use my Maybelline's the Colossal mascara that looks like this. I will be putting this on my upper and outer lower lashes where the black eyeshadow is. The last thing we will be doing is putting on some setting spray, and I am putting on the Makeup Revolution Sport Fix that looks like that. And so this is the finished look, and I kind of feel like Harley Quinn with this hairstyle, and I think it's just because my makeup is a little bit darker, and which makes it perfect for fall and winter. Anyway, this is all I have for you today, and if you liked the video, leave a like and a comment down below, and if you want more content like this, then hit the subscribe button and the notification bell, and you will be notified when I upload a video. I upload my Makeup Wednesday videos every Wednesday at 7 o'clock Norwegian time, which makes it about 2 o'clock New York time. And with that, I want to say thank you so much for watching, and I will catch you in the next one. Bye!